Before anything else, you need to know exactly where you're going. That's why you need number 2, clarify your goals. AI can't help you if your goals aren't clear. How are you supposed to hit a target you can't see? Saying, make me more successful, it's gonna say, what area? Tell me more. The truth is most people don't know what their 5-year goals are. I interview literally dozens of people every month, and one of my questions I ask them is, in 5 years, you wake up, you wave a magic wand, you can have anything. Paint me a picture of your life. And they always say, oh, that's a great question. Nobody's ever asked me that before. Okay. Well, if we don't know what the future looks like, then we can't make decisions in the short term because we don't know how they align. Clarity equals acceleration. If you want to accelerate your life, get clear on your 5-year goals. My favorite example of this is Gary Vee. If you don't know who he is, Gary Vaynerchuk, Google him. Every person knows his goal. His number 1 goal in life is to buy the New York Jets. Now, he's been saying this since he was in his 20s when buying a multi-billion-dollar sports team